todas las familias de México y la Unión Americana. Dice, los caminos de la vida.
Oh snap, man. What is up, YouTube? This is Matt Torres from Twisted Trucks. It's been a while since we made a video, but a lot has happened since our last video and right now. First one would have to be is I wrecked my old truck, my tan one. Rear-ended somebody, frame, support system gone, you know, frame bent. It's tragic, but nobody was hurt. Everybody was okay. Now, that's in the past. Now we're in the present today. So this video is basically we're gonna go over my new truck. Right? Just got I got maybe like 3 days ago, somewhere around there. But right now, changing out the alternators just because I wanted it new and to run strong. There's Nelly. But yeah, it's a 2002 extended cab, bubble eye, round eye, whatever you like to call it. This blue, it's like a turquoise color. Need to get the front end, basically the front part of the truck, color match, painted, which is gonna come soon. But right now I'm changing out the alternators. Got the old one out already. Finna go pick up the new one and then install it. Hopefully it runs a little bit stronger, you know. It seems like it's been wanting to die lately. But hopefully we get that changed out. I'll probably get a new battery for it later. And I'm gonna wait on the starter just to, I don't want to buy a new one and the other one still be new, you know. But so far, man, it's been a hell of a year for 2024 so far. So right now we got this truck coming. Should be getting my buddy Ernest's truck going. I don't know if y'all can see me. But we should be getting Ernest's truck going. And I believe we're getting one. I'm gonna buy another one. So still not sure. But I might buy a little daily car because, you know, this truck is out of gas. But yeah, I might buy a little daily here and there. But yeah, today, just changing out what we can right now. I got a warranty on my old alternator that was on my old truck that I sold. So I still got a warranty. I'm just going to take this one, exchange it, and replace it. I'm gonna clean out my cold air intake, and that should be it for this video. How are y'all guys doing, huh? It's been a while. It's been a long time. It's a fat minute. What's new with y'all? And let me know if I should go. I got a question. Y'all like black rims or chrome rims or brushed? What would look better on this truck? Right now I got two 24 black honeycombs in the front and just regular stocks in the back. But I don't know if I want to keep the black or go with a brushed snowflakes. I don't know. It's a lot of thinking about it right now. I'm about to clean it out too. It's too windy to get the wash, but I got tubs done. I got extra fender, my old. I just bought this grill before I wrecked, maybe 2 days before I wrecked. No, the same day I wrecked. Bought the grill the same day I wrecked. Crazy, huh? But yeah, other than that, it should be alright. as soon as I get the new alternator in, I'll give y'all a sound test and everything. Let y'all hear it. Let me know what y'all think when y'all hear it. But yeah. I just got back from AutoZone. We went and traded out the old alternator for this new alternator. Let me tell you how new this one looks. Sheesh. Brand new, man. Spanking it out of the box. But right now, I'm gonna install it, and then as soon as I install it, I'll let y'all hear it for the first time. I hope y'all like it, cause I like it. Alrighty, guys. So I got the new alternator in finally. It's kind of a little hard because it has these little push-out things for where the bolt goes in. I couldn't get it to come in, but finally got it. But here it is. Sheesh. Oh, yeah. Next, I'm gonna take this off, clean it. I gotta find out why the fucking filter keeps coming off. I think it's too big. Might be too big. But yeah, I just had it on. I had it on and running for a while because one of my little homies showed up and wanted to see the truck. So I'm gonna let it cool down so I get that nice cold start for y'all, and I'll let y'all hear it. But yeah, that's all for today. Right now, it's just a little alternator switch out. Nothing too big, too light, just the right size. But also, I was telling my homie, I'm trying to get my other homie's truck in the shop, but money's been kind of tight right now. But hopefully, it's ready tax season. but yeah, hopefully soon I can be able to do that for him. That's my partner right there. If I need something, he's there. If something goes down, he's there. That's my day one. I will be color matching the front. I don't know if I said that already, but get the whole truck painted correctly, same color, the right way. I'm gonna get my sticker made. Also, what color should I paint the tubs? Should I paint these tubs? Should I paint the wheel tub the same color as the truck, and then or black? Paint the wheel tub black in the middle, the same color as the truck, or should I just all paint it one color? Let me know. But yeah, guys, I'm going inside because it's a little bit cold right now, and here in maybe like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, I'll come get that cold start for y'all. Okay, guys, so here's the cold start. Let me go put y'all over here. Maybe right here would be good. Here's Matt and Ernest here. What's up? Also with our friend Bubba, Anthony Angelo. I totally forgot to start it earlier. But right now we're in the middle of a cruise with some of our homies and their homies. And their homies and their homies and their homies.
Homies and
their
homies.
mamas and their mamas now.
Hey, leave my mama out of this.
But yeah, right now we're in the middle of it. We got a good line. Is this window open? No.
Oh, yeah.
Oh shit. Yeah. Yeah. All them back there. And all these up here, man.
Yeah, that nigga's smart. He gonna get fucked over.
Fuck him. He's good. He chose to. Yeah.
He's like, I'm certified, bitch.
Yeah. But yeah, we got about like how many cars? I said at least good 10 cars and 4 or 5 trucks. You know, me and this would have been here, but you know, still making some adjustments. But yeah, so in a little bit when we park again, we'll go by and we'll show all the cars and the trucks. Just to let you know, see everybody that's here. And right now this is just a little cruise just in the middle of fucking February. Wait till summertime. Summertime we
Bar
gonna be
baby,
banging.
City of Syrup.
Man, they're doing it already, yeah. Look at that. Yeah.
No les miento que la verdad hay días que la quiero besar. Yo por ella daría mi vida entera por volverte a mirar. Pero no se puede porque mi maldito orgullo ya te fue a traicionar. Ando bien loco, quemándole mientras me avión un poco. Que no sé qué pasa, pero neta, ya no sé, tengo en la mente la rola de la tóxica.
Alright, but as soon as we park again, we'll show you all the cars and the trucks. Alright.